everybody, welcome to Cam and the Fam. Guys, today I'm going, you recording my chicken? I'm grilling some chicken on the stove. So grilling some chicken on the stove, guys. And I'm getting ready to cook some baby asparagus. So what I always do is I take like a tablespoon of butter. You can use olive oil, you can use whatever you like. I personally like the flavor that butter gives it. So I'm just putting a little oil on my pan. Try to use a non-stick pan too, guys. Okay, so we have our butter in there, and we're letting it get hot. Asparagus is so easy to cook, and I actually like to keep the crunch. I don't like soggy asparagus. Only time I eat soggy asparagus is if I'm eating a seafood boil. That's it. So we just take our baby asparagus. They're so adorable. Are they adorable to you too? Okay. So now we have to season these asparagus. So I take my garlic powder, and I take Cajun seasoning. You can use any kind of Cajun seasoning you have, because I like that garlic Cajun season flavor, and I don't put Parmesan cheese on my asparagus. I put a little black pepper on here, just a little, because I like to go in with my crushed red pepper. I'm not going to put a lot on, because you all know that when something is kind of a little spicy, you'll hear cough. So we're going to let that cook. I'm going to bring you guys back when I get ready to flip this, which will be in another 2 minutes, because it don't take as long to cook at all. And we're going to flip my chicken over. Look at that. And this chicken, it's fine. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so used to cooking on my stove. But I gave my stove away. So now this is the stove. I gotta use this stove. I gotta get used to it. I gotta get used to this stove, guys. Because you know, a lot of times if you're an inexperienced cook, it'll slide. So you gotta be very, very careful. So guys, I'm gonna bring you guys back once my asparagus is finished cooking. So guys, it's been all of what? About a minute. And my asparagus is ready. See? And then the baby asparagus, it tends to cook a little faster than the bigger asparagus, so they're done. And so now my chicken, I'm going to leave this in probably another minute. And I've already made potatoes. I'm going to show you guys my potatoes. And here goes some of the chicken breasts that I've already finished as well. Yeah, those are already. Potatoes. And those are my smothered potatoes. So that's what we're eating today. No restaurant food, no. And I'm probably going to add some cheese in there, because I know Pop And Cam love cheese, so, well, Papa don't love cheese, Cam love cheese, so I'm probably gonna add a little cheese in my potatoes, and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, my meal is finished. My husband should be here in about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put some foil over his plate. Oh, well, be here. All right. Look what you got.
Welcome, man. Smell good. Ooh, I didn't know you was recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
I didn't know you was recording.
Yeah, so we got grilled chicken breast, smothered potatoes, and asparagus. I got the baby asparagus, so you know they don't really.
I came into it.
And look, I'm putting me some A1 sauce on Max. Pops don't like A1 sauce on his food. And guys, this is dinner. What you want to drink?
I came in at the perfect time. Water. You know I can only do water and Crystal Light.
I'm saying you can have tea.
Nah, just water. Wow.
So guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Dinner time in the first family household.
That's right. That's right. No bread.
No.
No bread.
That looks amazing, y'all. Whatever she did in this recipe, try it.
Yes.
Man, this smells good.
So we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share this video out, share out all of my recipes. Comment, subscribe, show us some love in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out Kaminator Gamez, KEE'S Way. It's a love thing, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.